In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter and exit full screen mode in Google Docs. This is a really handy feature when you want to focus on your writing without any distractions, or when you need to display your document during a presentation. Let's dive right in and explore how you can easily activate and deactivate this mode in a few simple steps. To begin with, make sure you have your Google Doc open on your computer. You'll notice at the top of your screen there's a toolbar, which includes the option we're looking for. Move your cursor to the top of the screen and locate the View menu. This menu holds several display options, including the one that will allow you to enter full screen mode. Click on the View menu to reveal a drop-down list of these display settings. As you browse this menu, you'll see an option labeled Full Screen. Go ahead and click on that. Once you select this, your document will instantly expand to take up the entire screen. It's like giving your document its own stage to shine, removing toolbars and other desktop distractions. This can be especially helpful if you're reading through a document or showing it to an audience, as it provides a clean view that centers solely on the content. Now let's talk about how to exit full screen mode, because at some point, you'll likely need to return to your usual workspace or interact with other applications. Exiting is as straightforward as entering. It's just a single key press away. If you're using a computer, simply press the ESC or Escape key on your keyboard. This key is usually found at the top left corner. By doing this, you'll return to the regular view of your Google Doc, with all the toolbars and additional options neatly sliding back into place. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks and a key press, you can toggle between regular and full screen modes. It's a simple but effective way to enhance your productivity or presentation experience. Remember, full screen mode is there whenever you need to focus or showcase your document in a distraction-free environment. Whether you're writing a report, reading over notes, or presenting to an audience, this feature surely comes in handy to keep your attention where it belongs, on your work. Thank you for joining me in this video. I hope you found these instructions easy to follow and useful for your day-to-day tasks in Google Docs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tech tips and tools. Until next time, happy writing!